Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today I'll show you, step by step, how to use PayPal from Bolivia. I'll cover creating and verifying an account, how to send payments, important local limitations around receiving or withdrawing funds, and safe alternatives if you need to access money locally. Let's get started. Step 1. Create and verify your PayPal account. Open your browser, go to PayPal, and sign up with your email. Complete the verification steps PayPal asks for, usually confirming your email and adding a card or bank account in the wallet section. Linking a card or bank account is done from Wallet. Link a bank account or car. Step 2. How to send payments and make purchases. Once set up, you can use PayPal to buy online or send money internationally by entering the recipient's email or paypal.me link and following the send flow. PayPal supports international transfers and checkout flows from Bolivia for payments and purchases. Step 3. Important limitation: receiving and withdrawing funds in Bolivia. PayPal's availability in Bolivia is uneven. While you can create an account and make purchases, many Bolivian users face restrictions when trying to receive payments or withdraw PayPal balances into local Boliviano or local bank accounts. This can depend on where the account was originally created and which local banking integrations PayPal supports at the time. Always check your account's wallet options to see whether withdrawal to a local bank or card is enabled for you. Step 4. If you need to get money out of PayPal in Bolivia, workarounds and safer alternatives. If your PayPal balance can't be withdrawn locally, common options users use are: withdraw to a linked foreign card/account if available, or move funds through trusted peer services such as Airdmore. Crypto exchanges like Binance. Each has fees and KYC rules. Test small transfers first and compare fees and exchange rates before sending larger amounts. Step 5. Test, secure, and monitor fees. Before relying on PayPal for business payments, do a small test. Send yourself a payment, check whether it arrives, and attempt a small withdrawal or conversion. Review PayPal's fees and exchange rate rules in the help/fees section so you aren't surprised by charges. If anything looks restricted, contact PayPal support from the Help Center. Quick checklist on your Windows PC. Sign up or log in at PayPal and verify email. Link a card or bank in wallet and confirm any microdeposits. Try a small outgoing payment to confirm sending works. Check wallet for withdrawal options. If unavailable, consider Airdmore exchange routes and test with a small amount first. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.